Then there's the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. That is where you type your Python scripts. You can type, of course, your Python commands at the command prompt, but that doesn't make it a script. So you need an IDE to type your script. And if you use a text editor like Notepad, that would not have the functionality that you need to write properly your scripts. At least you need some syntax highlighting. The default IDE that comes with standard Python distribution is called idle. But since we use the Anaconda distribution, which comes with Spider, we will use Spider in this class. Another very popular one at the moment is PyCharm. Spider is completely open source and PyCharm is free, but not open source. There are also a few others that are used a lot. At some point your scripts will be more complex and you might work in teams on the same code. In that case you need to store your code centrally in a repository and take care of the version management. The most popular system for that at the moment is GitHub. In GitHub you can store the code, it can take care of version control, you can have access control, it can be used for tracking bugs. Users can file their bugs there. They can also do feature requests. And if you work in a team, you can even include the management of tasks there, add a wiki page, or add web pages about the tool. And until now it has been free for open source projects, but to have more up-to-date information about it, check the current terms of GitHub. The last thing that I like to mention are notebooks. Jupyter notebooks are the most popular ones and we will use them also in this class. Notebooks are interactive websites where code can be executed. You can mix instruction text with fields where code can be entered and executed. Code such as Python scripts, but it has been developed for Julia, Python and R, which forms Jupyter as an acronym. It uses the IPython implementation, so Python can be executed in an interactive way. If you've installed the Anaconda distribution, which we'll install later in this course, you will get instructions for that, then you can launch your Jupyter notebooks from your computer and it can use the libraries that you have installed. This will be a part later in the course. We will start, however, with running it online from a GitHub repository for this course. And there are tools to run these Jupyter notebooks online. They connect to the GitHub repository and run on a server. And tools to do that are Binder or Google Colab's Collaboratory.